Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make good hard-boiled eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare. For the best outcome, start with eggs that are at room temperature. This helps prevent cracking when they hit the heat. Gently place your eggs in a single layer in a saucepan, then cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. You can also add half a teaspoon of salt to the water, which some find helps with easier peeling later on. Now let's get cooking. Place your saucepan over high heat and bring the water to a full, rolling boil. Keep it uncovered during this stage. As soon as the water reaches a vigorous boil, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Cover the pan tightly with a lid. Allow the eggs to sit in this hot, covered water for 10 to 12 minutes. This duration will give you a perfectly firm, cooked yolk. Once your eggs have finished their hot water bath, it's time for a quick cool down. Prepare a large bowl with plenty of ice and cold water to create an ice bath. Using a slotted spoon, carefully transfer each hot egg directly into this ice bath. This crucial step immediately stops the cooking, preventing that unappealing green ring around the yolk. Let them chill for at least 15 minutes. This also helps the shells separate more easily. Now for the satisfying part, peeling and enjoying your perfectly hard-boiled eggs. Gently tap each cooled egg on a hard surface, then roll it to create small cracks all over the shell. Begin peeling from the wider end of the egg, as there's usually a small air pocket there that helps get you started. If you encounter any stubborn bits, peeling under a gentle stream of cool running water can help loosen the shell. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-peel hard-boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.